Ever wondered what it takes for a crypto platform to offer real-world banking services? It's not as simple as flipping a switch. You can't just, as an unlicensed company, start giving out bank accounts with an IBAN or issue debit cards. The regulatory landscape for digital assets is a minefield, and that's where strategic partnerships become the secret weapon. They are the key to bridging the gap between the decentralized world of crypto and the traditional, heavily regulated financial system. Today, we're diving into the journey of Bitwala. It's a name you might recognize, especially if you've been in the European crypto space for a while. Bitwala has been through a few different phases, including a rebrand to Nuggs, a period of insolvency, and now, a new beginning. And with each of these phases, their banking relationships have been central to their story. So, who exactly is Bitwala's banking partner? The answer isn't a single name. It's a timeline of partnerships that reflect the company's evolution. In its earlier days, when Bitwala was first making a name for itself as a crypto-focused neobank, their partner was Solaris. This was a pivotal collaboration. Solaris, a German banking platform with a full banking license, provided the regulatory backbone Bitwala needed. This partnership allowed Bitwala to offer users a German bank account, complete with an IBAN for SEPA transfers and even a debit card. This was a game changer, as it meant users could manage their Bitcoin and Euro deposits in one place, with the security and trust of a regulated German bank account. It gave them access to traditional banking services like receiving salaries and paying rent, all while having instant access to liquidity for their digital assets. But the story doesn't end there. After facing significant challenges, including the broader crypto market downturn in 2022 that led to insolvency and the closure of Nuggs, Bitwala has made a comeback. This new chapter required a new strategy and, of course, a new banking partner. Enter Striga. In late 2023, Bitwala announced its relaunch with a new partnership with Striga. This collaboration signals a shift in focus for Bitwala. Instead of aiming to become a full-fledged bank itself, they are now leveraging Striga's banking and crypto-as-a-service infrastructure. This partnership provides Bitwala with the necessary compliant digital assets and banking infrastructure right out of the box, without the immense regulatory burden that had previously been a major hurdle. Striga enables Bitwala to draw on its trading and card issuing functionality, focusing on its core strengths while relying on a specialist for the complex regulatory and banking aspects. This new partnership with Striga is a testament to the evolving fintech ecosystem, where platforms can specialize in what they do best and form strategic alliances to provide a complete, compliant service. For Bitwala, it means a renewed focus on its self-custodial wallet and enabling the everyday usage of Bitcoin through on- and off-ramps, with future plans for a crypto-backed Visa debit card. The story of Bitwala's banking partners is a perfect case study in the fast-paced world of crypto finance. It shows how platforms adapt and pivot, using strategic collaborations to navigate the complex regulatory environment and deliver value to their users. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.